The nice thing about this water flosser is it does come with 4 tips or attachments, so you can use this for your whole family. You each just pick a color, replace the tip, you are good to go. I really like the design of this. It looks a little bit more sleek, smaller, compact than other water flossers I've used. I have used a lot. Really cool design. There aren't really any moving parts. The only thing you need to do is charge it in the back, or when you need to fill it with water, you just pull this back, put the water in. Pretty simple design, looks really nice. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. Here's a look at everything you get with this. Voom Sonic. So the charging cable, it is USB charging, but it's its own little unique barrel plug. So you don't want to lose this, but you just charge it in the back like that to charge it. It comes with 4 attachments. Now, all of these flosser tips are the same size, but they do have different colors. So if different people in the family want to use this, you can pick your color, and that way you're not having to share a tip. To use it, you just put it in, it just snaps into place. Then when you need to remove it or replace it, you just press that button and it comes out, and then you can put another tip around and you can move it around while it's in here. The whole design of this, it's not as big and bulky as other water flossers, so that's kind of nice. To fill it up with water, you just peel this back and then you can put the water in like that. And then to use it, you just press this button, it turns on. If you want a different speed, you press it again and it goes to a lower speed. Press it again and it does kind of a more massaging or pulsing, and then press it again to turn it off. Another really nice thing about this water flosser is it does have a memory. So it has a few different speeds and then it has a pulsing mode. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Right now it's on pulsing mode. I'll turn it off. But say you want just a fast speed, so go ahead and turn it on and then cycle through. So now I've got it on the fastest speed. I'll go ahead and turn it off. So now it's off, and then when I want to use it for the next time, it's on the fastest speed again. So pretty simple design, but it works really well, nice and easy to use, really good water flosser.